One thing you should never do at duty free is to skip buying yourself perfume. I mean, you get the best deal, limited edition. You should never skip buying yourself fragrances at duty free. My channel, if you're a person that loves fragrances, unboxing items, because that's what I do and I do it so well. If this is something you enjoy, unboxing of items, getting good deals and good bargains, guys, beauty, luxury items, affordable items, this is the channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe. And join us. And to my OGs, guys, you know how we do it. Welcome back to another fragrance video. So for today, guys, like you already see in the intro, this is I feel like it's one of my most expensive perfume, but then I got this at a good price at duty free. I recently went to Morocco, and at duty free, when I was checking at the airport, I got myself a beautiful Penhaligons perfume. I cannot wait to unbox this. I was actually unboxing this perfume, and then I realized, oh, wait a minute, why are you unboxing this without my people? Then I said, you know what, rewind. So I got myself the beautiful House of Penhaligons Halfeti. Yeah, I already turned out the nylon, it's just over there. But anyways, I have my fragrance here, and I cannot wait to properly unbox with you guys. So let's just start and reveal this beauty I am holding here. Okay, guys, my last trip, I was just going through duty free, and I was just trying out different perfume. And then I remember that I said at every of my trip, as far as I'm passing through the duty free, I'm gonna buy myself something just to remind myself of that particular trip. So I got this beautiful Halfeti from House of Penhaligons. So let's just unbox this together. So this was retail at the duty free for £172. We'll get that kind of price, guys. And this usually is retail on the website for £215, and I got a beautiful whooping £172 at retail price at duty free here. Guys, isn't that amazing that I got this huge discount off? So anyway, my advice is never skip duty free purchases, because you get limited edition and good prices. Anyway, so I think I lost my receipts, but that's how much I got it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and finish my unboxing with you guys. But this is the gorgeous packaging. I love how this is being wrapped up. This look very sturdy. I love it. So this would keep your perfume intact. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just open it, guys. Wow, look at that beauty. Very beautiful. I love it. So we're just gonna go ahead and review the way we would normally review this, and I'm gonna take it off from here. See? Wow, I love the bottle. It's so pretty, very gorgeous. So this is I feel like this is one of their popular scents, which is called the Halfeti. I think I'm pronouncing it well. Yeah, this is one of the Penhaligons popular scents, because a lot of people that I would ask, a lot of people, people I know that they are into perfume, when I ask them about this particular house of saints and I ask them which is their favorite, most of them will say Halfeti letter or Halfeti, no, the original one. But then I went in duty free, and I was looking to buy myself something, like I said. So this was the bottle that I copped for myself. So let's just look at this beauty and let's see what the content inside is saying. So let's just, oh wow, I love the ribbon thing in here. It's so gorgeous. So I'm just gonna go ahead and press this out. Oh, wow. Wow. I love, love, love this for myself. Wow. This is so good. Oh, wow. This is one of the best oud scents I think I've smelled in a while. Wow. Amazing, amazing, amazing. I am loving it. I love the opening. You can tell that this is hood. You can't tell me anything. And you know I'm a hood girl. To think I actually tried this out at the duty free, I used it on and I went on, to board my plane, and I went on my holiday. The clothes, because I didn't wash while I was on holiday. The clothes that I sprayed this on, I don't know if I have it in this room, but I could still smell this particular scent under my tracksuit that I wore when I was traveling. So I am getting the exact scent from my tracksuit right now. Wow, this is beautiful. This is amazing. Wow. So let me quickly run you guys through the notes of this scent, because I want to see the composition of what the scent is. So it says the Halfeti Penhaligons, this beautiful bottle here. Guys, I love the bottle. It's nothing too dramatic. It's just a simple, perfume bottle. But then it says the top note has the saffron, cardamom, bergamot, grapefruit, and artemisian. Also, it says in the middle notes, it says it's got the Bulgarian rose. It got the nutmeg, the jasmine, of course, and the base note is agar wood. Yeah, agar wood, which is the wood, the leather, the cedar, sandalwood, amber, tonka bean, vanilla, and musk. Yeah, I love the blend of all of these. Everything balanced well. There's some hoods that smells really, funny and annoying, but these just have this right balance of all the base notes, which are basically the wood, the cedar, the sandalwood, amber, tonka bean, vanilla, and musk. So the base note is well done. If I'll say the base note of this perfume, all the notes are well mixed and well balanced. I feel like this perfume will be very, very suitable for winter, autumn, going into Christmas. I found the perfume I'm gonna use for Christmas. So I honestly, honestly love this perfume. And I feel when I was making a research, a lot of people said this would be a perfume for, men, but I'd say this is unisex. This is unisex. Both ladies, men can use this. This is unisex. And for me, the projection of this perfume, talking from when I used it, I sprayed it at duty free and onto my tracksuit and my skin. Like I said earlier, I can still smell it on my tracksuit even when I go back from my trip. And I used 5 days there. So the longevity, I'm gonna give it, based on what I just said now, I'm gonna give it a 9, a solid 9. Amen. And I'm gonna give this for the balance of notes. I'm gonna give it, because it's hard for you to see a base note of oud done really well. The dry down is amazing. Oh my god. I'm gonna give this a solid 9.5. No, a 9. Let's go for 9. Yeah, a 9. The base note is well blended. This is so good for, the cold season. It's just, it's good for autumn, winter, probably for, the Christmas season. This will be a bottle I'm gonna be wearing as well for my Christmas celebrations. Also, the longevity I said is a 9. And the bottle itself is pretty simple bottle with this ribbon. And the content inside here, I didn't even know that it's a bit of is it mint or green, you know. It's just a beautiful little bottle scent. And I think this is in what mil is this? This should be in 100 mils. Yeah, this is 100 mils. So for the price it's expensive, but for the content inside I think it's worth it. But I'm gonna use this for a while because this is actually my first bottle from Penhaligons house. So I'm gonna try this bottle and see probably if I like it and my husband do like it, so I'll start collecting more scents from House of Penhaligons. So that's just it. I absolutely love this. Wow. My appointment to HRH, the Prince of Wales. Beautiful. I love it. So I'm gonna be wearing this during the cold season, that is for autumn, winter. Not something I want to wear during summer. No, no, no. And I would love to wear this during nighttime. This would be perfect for your dinner dates. I mean, yeah. And this would smell amazing on mine as well, because I love my husband to smell like this, even though my husband doesn't really like anything oud. He prefers the soft, clean crepe scent, but some days I have to, press this on him by force, by fire. So I love the scent so much. Like I said, for duty free I got it for £172, which I had a good price. Originally it's £215, but for duty free 172, which I'm super excited about. And also the projection is good, the longevity is good, the balance of notes amazing. I feel like this has to be one of the most sophisticated oud perfume I'm gonna wear compared to my Amor hoods and some of my Arabian hoods, but this stand out really well. This really calls for, it just, you can't get it wrong with, I feel like you can't get it wrong with this perfume. I mean, this would call you out even when you are hiding. This fragrance will call you out, because isn't that what I'm smelling now? And you don't even need too much. You don't need to do too much with this perfume. 1 to 3 spray. I mean, you want to do too much, just do 5 spray and you are good to go. This smells amazing. I absolutely love it. And you're gonna be seeing me wearing this a lot this Christmas. So this is perfect unisex scent. Screaming luxury, screaming sophisticated, it's screaming billionaire, it's screaming boss lady, it's screaming chick, it's screaming oga wife, it's screaming emioga. Oh, if you're a oud lover, guys, you should get this. Forget about the price, forget about more, it's quite expensive, but trust me, you'll be getting the worth of the money. Yeah, I'm super happy about the purchase. I feel like I'm not gonna regret it. I don't even think I'm gonna regret it. But I love it, and I'll see if I'm gonna be collecting more bottles from House of Penhaligons. So that is my new baby, and I'm gonna see you guys again when I unbox more of Penhaligons scents. So let me know in the comment section if you guys have tried this. I'm very sure I'm late to unboxing these because I know I've been really busy, but I'm trying to keep up with my perfume collection. I have some perfume that I just got. I've not really talked about them, but I'm gonna come here and tell you things that the unboxing thing is it's just very therapeutic for me. So let you guys know, and until then, I'm gonna see you again in my next video. Let me do some thumbnail video pictures for myself. Let me see if I'm able to do that. So cheers. Yeah, I feel like this is one of the best scents anyone should get from Penhaligons. So Halfeti is one of the perfume you should get. So anyway, let me just stop here because I'm gonna be start saying what I'm supposed to say, and I'm gonna see you guys again in my next video. And until then, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share.